and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the 30th of December, which means the year is ending. But उसके बारे में बाद में बात करते हैं because it's already 3. I am late. Yesterday night, अच्छे से I thought that I'll wake up early and start this vlog, but really it's not happening because I have mastered the art of procrastinating things and getting late. But ठीक है. So yeah. Also, I did not get up early because Mumbai में temperature wise maybe it's not that low. The temperature is not that low, but it feels cold. So I was in my blanket, but whatever. अब उठ गई हूँ. So let's go. Get ready. Get freshen up at least, and I'll see you. So, थोड़ी देर मेरे बारे में बात करते हैं. The last time I uploaded my video was again a month back, and the last time I uploaded the video, I told myself that I'll be uploading regularly, but I did not. I successfully managed to waste a lot of time, which was on my sleeves, which I regret. And I'm telling this for myself. Let me tell this that this thing which I'm talking right now is for me to see and remember that how much time have I actually wasted. Also, moving forward, today is the 30th of December as I mentioned earlier, and not the special day for me because it's not my birthday, nothing special is happening. It's just that 2020, the world is ending, the year is ending. So the year is ending and I am starting this vlog today because मैंने ये सब resolution and everything, I have never ever done it, but I think it's time for me to take a resolution for myself. ज़्यादा time waste ना करते हुए I have to tell you that I'm starting this vlog today because 1 तारीख से when you say yourself that yeah, this is my resolution, I'll be doing this. A person like me tends to forget it and fail at it or whatever, but it is what it is. So what I decided कि अगर मैं इसको 2 दिन पहले start करूँ, so I am like kind of I'll be on a track to continue it from the first. You get the point, right? So my resolution for the next year is that I'll be vlogging, uploading regularly. I'll be working out, eating healthy, and doing every good thing which will benefit me. And I'm telling this in front of the camera because if I tell this in front of the camera, I know I'll be doing it, or else it will be just brushed under the carpet, which I don't want. Starting by good things से मेरा मतलब है let's start by working out, and by working out मेरा मतलब ये नहीं है that I'll be working out for 1 and 2 hours straight. No, I'll be working out for only 7 minutes because I found a video on YouTube which says intense full body Kendall Jenner workout without any equipments. And why Kendall Jenner? I don't think I have to tell you guys. And अगर आपको फिर भी समझ नहीं आया why Kendall Jenner, then it's okay. I just love her, that's why Kendall Jenner workout. Let's work out for 7 minutes. Let's see how it goes. As the days goes on, I'll increase the intensity of the workout and the duration. But today it's 7 minutes. Let's do it. And because I'm starting this in front of the camera, there's a lot of I have high hopes with me that I'll be completing and doing it properly, because I am a very camera, that kind of person. If I say it and if it's out there in public, I won't back out. It's just some things about me. So I'm putting myself in a situation where I don't want to be, but I guess that's called challenging yourself. Also, the main thing is the routine is very fucked up. I have to get on a routine because it's not done, right? Just sitting around doing time pass, it's not done. We have to do some things for ourselves. कुछ नहीं होगा, but something will happen, right? So let's go, let's work out and we'll see you. Let's go and start the workout ASAP because मैं already बहुत late हो चुकी हूँ and also I'm looking like shit right now, but ignore it. Also मैं आपको दिखा दूँ that I'll be working out here. मैंने सारे अपने workouts यहाँ लिख लिए ताकि मेरे को बार-बार फ़ोन में ना देखना पड़े, because it acts as a distraction. Irrespective of whatever work you're doing, keeping mobile around you is not a good idea. So let's start the workout and yeah, let's do it. The workout is done. So technically मुझे भी जाके नहा लेना चाहिए, but बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी है and मुझे मेरे बाल भी धोने हैं जो मुझे सुबह करना था, but क्योंकि मैं जल्दी नहीं उठी, the thing is procrastinated. As I told you guys, I have mastered that art. So कभी ना कभी तो जाके नहाना पड़ेगा, but अभी वो 7 मिनट बचे वर्कआउट के बाद में मुझे भूख लग गई है. So I'm gonna eat my lunch, which is dal, rice, some sabzi and chutney. वेरी बेसिक लंच, और कुछ खा नहीं सकती बिकॉज बिना खाना खाए कुछ भी खाऊँ तो मम्मी विल शाउट एट मी, आपकी भी. सो फर्स्ट ईट योर लंच एंड देन ईट योर जंक. आई ईट माई लंच. नहाना तो मुझे पड़ेगा बिकॉज आई हैव टू वॉश माई हेयर, बट बहुत ठंडी है एंड ऑल्सो आई डोंट लाइक टू टेक शावर विथ हॉट वाटर. आई लाइक कोल्ड वाटर, बट ठंडी भी है. आई एम वेरी स्ट्रेस्ड आउट राइट नाउ. बस वही एक टास्क है जो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड जो नहीं हो, but let's see. Let's have a lunch and let's see what's gonna happen. It's evening. खाना खाने के बाद I was just sitting here doing time pass, chilling around. I did nothing and मैंने ये पूरा vlog सोफे पे बैठे बैठे ख़त्म कर दिया. Wow. I think I should go out now, but मैं बाहर जाके करूँ क्या? There is nothing to do. Nobody जिसको मैं मिल सकूँ. So there is basically no purpose of going out. But I think I should go. Also मैं अभी तक नहाई नहीं, और अगर अब मैंने मम्मी को बोला कि मुझे अब नहाने जाना है शाम को, she'll be mad. Whatever. पहले मम्मी को पूछते हैं क्या मैं अभी नहाने जाऊँ. Let's see. मम्मी नहाने जाओ क्या? नहाने जाओ क्या? It's the next day and 2020 का आखिरी दिन. What are you guys doing? I have no plan, but I'm going out with my friends just to meet them. And right now, like, it's 5 right now. मैं सुबह उठी 2 hours earlier than I woke up yesterday, which is good. And I did my workout which I did yesterday, that 7 minute वाला workout, but I thought मेरे को नहीं डालना चाहिए vlog में वो वापस, because yesterday वाला is already there, so I did not shoot it, but yeah, I did it. And पूरा दिन मुझे अपने आप को ये बताने में, समझाने में लग गया कि go and take a bath. Finally I did it. It's evening. I have to do some work on my laptop. बस ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, बस थोड़ा डेटा ट्रांसफ़र करना है and apply a sheet mask. Where is my sheet mask? This, because you can clearly see my skin is not clear right now. Like, it's very sad. So let's make my skin feel a little bit better on the last day of 2020, because it's been a crazy year, crazy for everybody. But see, also मुझे ये बोलना है that this whole year, if you survived, if you were able to, अगर आपने हर वो चीज़ को go through करा है and then you have come above it, congratulations, and get ready for another such year, because I'm ready and I'm getting very late. Like, it's 6:39 right now. I know it's gonna be a lot of traffic. Let's see, let's go. Also, my mom doesn't want me to go, but I want to go, so I'm going. And yeah, let's go. Also, I did a little bit of makeup, if you call this makeup. I did it. And this is what I'm wearing.